Gajapati district Palakhemmundi has reached the old achievements of Palakhemmundi royal family. For the transportation of the people, the railway service which was started by the Parla dynasty was only available in a handful of places during the whole of India. However, at that time, the first engine that was providing railway services was running on narrow gauge. For many years, this railway engine was displayed at the East Zone Railway Vishakhapatnam Division Office. In the local area, including lawyer Prashant Kumar Pradhan, a former MLA K. Narayan Rao and intellectuals have been repeatedly demanding to the railway minister to bring back. The Ministry of Railways agreed to accept this demand and promised to return it, which brought the Parla dynasty train carrying the said historic message to Palakhemmundi by a special train late today. There has been a wave of happiness in the entire Gajapati district.